Today, we really wanted to talk about AI LMSs or learning management systems that use generative AI within their dashboards. My name is Stanis, and I have to start this video with some bad news. There are basically no AI learning management systems. But not to worry, because in this video, I am going to show you how to incorporate AI into your existing Blackboard, Moodle, or Canvas with one simple link. Popular modern LMSs help you deliver education to students, track their progress, and give them detailed feedback. But as of today, they have zero AI features, integrations, or basically any modern AI functionality. Which means if you as a professor want to teach them how to use AI tools effectively, ethically, and responsibly, and prepare them for the future job market, you need to improvise and bring in outside tools, like Boodlebox. You can use Boodlebox to give your students AI assignments that can help them develop their critical thinking skills and find out what they can achieve in collaboration with AI tools. We find that one of the most effective types of assignment is one where the student needs to produce a deliverable with the full support of AI. But they also need to show the entirety of their prompting process as well, so that you can evaluate their understanding of the problem and the tactics and techniques they deployed to solve it. We can do that with Boodlebox's new feature, Folders. Instruct your students to open a new chat in Boodlebox by pressing on this plus sign or Ctrl+B. Then they can mention any bots that they need right there in the chat window. They can use a variety of different bots and models to achieve their goal. And once they're finished, they can submit the deliverable, essay, academic article, or whatever the assignment called for as a separate file and give you a prompt thread link. To get it, they should click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the chat, and then click on Copy Chat Link. Once you have the prompt thread link from every student, you can see all of the conversations that students had with Boodlebox's bots and models. And you can evaluate the student's skill in prompting them, as well as compare the prompt thread's contents with the final deliverable to see where students applied their own original thought and critical thinking, and where AI helped them out. You can then add all of the submitted prompt threads from all the students to one folder. To do that, go to the sidebar here, click on the 3 vertical dots next to the chat name, and choose Move to Folder. You can choose an existing one or create a new one. Name it whatever you want. And once you have all of the chats in the folder, you can see the folder stats by clicking the 3 vertical dots and choosing View Folder Stats to see the general data on the completed assignments, like which students submitted the links, or how many bots they used, or how many messages and prompts they sent in every prompt thread. For more qualitative analysis, you can then add the whole folder to the knowledge bank. Just click on the 3 vertical dots next to the folder's name and choose Add to the knowledge bank. This will allow you to use Boodlebox's bots yourself to help you analyze the student's performance, like asking the writing essay bot to evaluate the essays in terms of consistency, innovation, and overall quality of style, and then asking the teaching assistant bot to write some individual recommendations for each student. This method of giving AI assignments can be easily integrated into any LMS, be it Blackboard, Moodle, or Canvas, as you only need to register it as one of the tasks in your LMS and have the students completed in Boodlebox. You can set up some individual chats for your students beforehand, or even some group chats if you prefer. Then click on the Members button in the top right corner of the chat and copy the link. Now you just drop that link in Blackboard, Moodle, or any LMS you use. Your students can follow it, and they will be transported into the correct chat in Boodlebox immediately. Try giving your students at least one AI assignment in this fall semester and see if they enjoy mastering AI tools through these hybrid assignments. Check the pinned comment below to try out Boodlebox for yourself. Drop a like, subscribe, and tell us about your experiences with AI and LMSs in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about AI's role in higher education, check out this playlist right here. See you in the next one.